Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and another product. It's not necessarily a new product for us. It's one we brought in a while back ago, and we were selling a lot of them. Now I know why. This is one of the best bags, most universal bags that I've ever had. The reason I decided to check this out, we're going on a ride tomorrow, and it's going to be an all-day ride. And it is sweltering hot. I mean, just I'm wearing this and soaking it down with water just because it's already so hot here. So my idea was to get a jug of water and keep it on the bike and soak myself down. And then Jacob said, "Hey, we got a bag that'll work real good for this." And I said, "Oh yeah, let's check it out." Well, this is the Ciro. It's a dry weather bag, and it's also a cooler, very insulated. My plans are to put some Gatorades in here, a 10-pound bag of ice, a gallon of water, have that with me so I can stay hydrated. One of the most dangerous things when riding in heat is heat exhaustion, heat stroke. You gotta stay hydrated, constantly hydrated. Stop often if you have to. Always hydrate when you're at a filling station, but sometimes you'll need to stop along the way and just get something cold into you. Bring your body temperature down. So I grabbed this thing and I'm thinking, yeah, this is cool. The more I look at it, the more I love it. This will mount. This is on my Canyon right here. So if you notice, it's got the little logo here. It's got a little pouch here that you can stick, I don't know, allergy stuff, whatever you want to get to. It has that on both sides. Kind of cool. On this bike, it just couldn't fit any better. Goes around the handle, locks in. I'll do the other side too. And this is the way it came out of the box. I didn't adjust anything. So Jacob told me that the Canyon, the grab rails are a little bit narrower. So on your Spyder, let's say your RT or even the F3, they provide a extension. It's a lash strap, they call it. And what people are doing is they'll run this strap underneath the seat and then up around and click in. So this will give you, basically you can adjust it, click it in on one, get the other one clicked in with the strap under the seat, and then just snug it up and be real tight. This can also go on your, if you have a aftermarket rack or even factory rack, this will go on top. They actually on their brochure, they show it strapped down on a Harley rack, which is very similar to the racks that we use on the Spyder. So it'll lash down to that. But the other thing that's kind of cool, you can pop this off and then just clip this in on both sides, and now you got a backpack that you can just throw it on your shoulder, bring it into your room, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be used as just a cooler. If you want to keep your stuff dry, this is weatherproof zippers. There's no loose bag that's going to fit over it to keep the rain out. This is waterproof. I don't know if you can submerge it, but it looks like you probably could. This will keep your gear dry. If you going on a weekend trip or something like that, I mean, this is not going to be a week's worth of stuff, but it'd be good for a weekend trip. Keep your gear dry in here, no matter what the rain is. If you're going to ride, you're going to hit rain. That's just the way it is. It's good to get it in your head now. So it's good to be prepared. We have these at Lamonster Garage. We have them in stock, ready to ship. I'm going to give it a good run tomorrow, and I'm sure I'm going to be happy with it. It just, on the Canyon, it just fits the bike perfect. And the guys really, this is the first Canyon I think that it's been on, but we're selling them mostly for the RTs and the F3s. So if you want a good bag, very versatile, keep your stuff dry, keep your stuff cool. I mean, this insulation is super thick. I mean, I can't believe how thick it is. But this is what you're going to want. And this is officially Lamonster approved, and you guys need one of these. It's going to be a good addition to your riding. And like I say, staying hydrated, super important, especially when you're on a bike. So check it out, guys, lamonstergarage.com.